guys, welcome to my channel, Chad Garin TV. Okay, for today's video is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-fix yung display capture black screen ng Streamlabs OBS. So, una guys, check natin yung Streamlabs OBS application. So ito guys, as you can see is black screen po siya. Let's say, una is, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano siya nagiging black screen. So guys, mag-add tayo ng sources or source. So display capture, and then add source, and then add source. So done natin. So dito guys, is depende sa inyo kung may multiple screen kayo, so mamili na lang kayo. So sa akin guys, isa lang po yung aking monitor. So done. So as you can see guys, is black screen po siya. So ngayon guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-fix yung black screen ng OBS Streamlabs. Okay guys. So una guys, punta lang tayo dito sa search bar ng Windows. So hanapin natin yung graphic settings or search natin dito yung graphic settings. Okay, so double click. And then dito guys is makikita nyo yung graphics settings. So sa inyo guys, possibly siguro nasa classic app, sa akin guys desktop app. So click natin yung browse. So dito guys, click lang natin yung my computer or this PC. So click natin yung devices. So click natin yung program files. Double click. And then hanapin natin yung Streamlabs OBS. So Streamlabs OBS. So dito guys, Streamlabs OBS, double click po natin. And then dito guys, click natin yung resources. So click din natin yung app or app as our unpack. And then node modules. And then dito guys, click natin yung OBS Studio. So as you can see guys, ito na yung OBS 64 na application na ating kailangan. So double click natin. And then dito guys is, andito na yung OBS 64 na app. So click natin yung option. So dito guys, may option tayo. So graphic preference. So what do you prefer for graphic performance? So sa akin guys is yung power saving. So click natin yung power saving. So and then click po natin yung save. So ngayon balikan natin yung sa OBS Streamlabs. So as you can see guys, ganun lang po kadali ayusin yung black screen ng black screen display capture sa OBS Streamlabs. At kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, please consider subscribing to my channel, Chad Garin TV. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!